Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can create your account on iCloud. So you know that for iCloud you need your Apple ID. So I also show you how you can create Apple ID from my previous videos. You can watch it, or if you already have it, you just enter it here, your Apple ID, and after you enter your Apple ID you will enter your password. So just enter here your password and click enter. So just wait some time after it. Well, I make a mistake in my password, so I will retry. So wait some time after it will be loaded, and here you will see your post, contacts, calendar, photos, iCloud Drive, notes, notifications, pages, numbers, keynote, where friends, and where phone. And here it is all information from your iPhone, iPad, all devices that are connected to your Apple ID. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.